Hello everybody and welcome in today's video. In today's video we are going to do something very unique. Well, maybe not for this channel because we do consider different charting as well important as only the Bitcoin chart. But we are going to try and predict the Bitcoin price or the price structure of Bitcoin without the actual Bitcoin chart. And guys, I can tell you already right now, this is quite golden information. And if you've been following me already for some time, you know that I, next to look at Bitcoin, I also always look for validation in multiple charts. And in today's video, we're just gonna try and predict the Bitcoin price without looking at the Bitcoin chart itself. So that's going to be a very nice challenge. Guys, if you're excited for this, smash up that like. Let's jump straight into it. And I will bring up the Bitcoin chart just to show you the inverse correlation or what happened in the past. But we don't need the Bitcoin chart in order to know what is going to happen with the Bitcoin price. Guys, this chart, I've been bringing it up quite often in the past. This is the USDC dominance. And based on this chart, guys, we were able to predict tops in the Bitcoin price when we've reached for example, the middle of the channel, or when we reach the top of the channel. Every time we reach the top of the channel, Bitcoin is basically at a bottom, and whenever we are reaching the bottom of the channel, Bitcoin is most likely at a top. That is due to the fact that there is an inverse correlation between this chart and Bitcoin, because when the dominance of stablecoins goes up, of course the Bitcoin price goes down, and vice versa the other way around too. And what we can see right here is that we have a very clear uptrend. And right now we are touching an important part of that uptrend support. It is the uptrending support, the green line right here, but it's also the middle of the channel, which normally is also very significant. And let me show you what happened in the past whenever we touched that support, basically. Let's add Bitcoin right here. And then we can see the moment we touched that support, we actually saw a bounce in the dominance. The price of Bitcoin goes down. The orange line right here is the price of Bitcoin goes down. We touch the support again. We get a bounce in the dominance. Bitcoin price goes down. Right here as well, we have consolidation. We get a bounce in the dominance. Bitcoin price goes down. Makes a lot of sense. Right now, we are at a very important crossroad because it can mean any other way, right? If we bounce here, the Bitcoin price will go down, see another leg down, most likely, at least will go down right here in the shorter term time frame. However, and this is the other part, if we break that support and this dominance is going to come down, that will definitely drive the price of Bitcoin up in a massive rally. So this chart might be, in my opinion right now, even a more important chart than to watch than the Bitcoin chart itself. Bitcoin chart itself is, for me, in my opinion, giving a lot of reverse signals. We are hitting resistance on multiple time frames, and it looks like we could be coming down when looking at the Bitcoin chart, but we are trading above the 200-week moving average, which is the bullish side again. So there are a lot of controversial signs, in my opinion, if we have a look at Bitcoin. That's why I think it is important to watch this specific chart, the market cap of USDC. Then, guys, I want to go with you to the volatility index, because this one is going to be also very important. We are converging right here within a uptrend and in a declining resistance. And the moment we are going to see a breakout either way, that is going to tell us a lot about the S&P 500. Breakout to the upside is going to be S&P 500 come down. If we break out to the downside, it means S&P 500 is going to go up, continuing a rally. So this also has an effect on Bitcoin. When this chart will drop, we most likely see a rally in Bitcoin as well. And when this chart goes up, we most likely see a dump in Bitcoin as well. Right now, we are touching some very important support zone right now in the VIX. So it is a possibility that we can see a bounce from the VIX right here. If we break the support, then you know that is actually quite a bullish sign for for Bitcoin and the regular financial markets. Of course, guys, if you are interested in trading Bitcoin, you can do that over on Bybit, Femix, and PrimeXBT. I have all my affiliate links to all of these exchanges below this video. If you sign up on one of these platforms using that specific affiliate link, you can get an additional bonus. On Bybit, it is a bonus of $4,500, and it's a very great platform to trade Bitcoin and a variety of altcoins, and they offer multiple stable coins like US dollar Tether and USDC, so you can also trade on the spot market, hedge in digital dollars. Femix is kind of similar like Bybit, but the PrimeXBT exchange also offers to trade the regular financial market like the S&P 500. So if you are interested in trading the S&P 500 or NASDAQ or any other regular financial market asset, you can do that over on the PrimeXBT, up to $7,000 bonus with the link down below. I want to bring out one more chart. That is the NASDAQ actually. What we are seeing at the NASDAQ is that we have been trading in a rising channel, something similar like we have seen with Bitcoin. What we did is we broke out to the upside. Right now we are testing that former resistance as support. If this can see a nice bounce, then also that would bring more confidence into all the markets, and we most likely can see a continuational move to the upside also for Bitcoin. If we break back into this channel, then this was a failed attempt breakout, and yeah, most likely we will see lower levels, and that panic will also be expressed in the Bitcoin price. So guys, that was it for today's video. That's how we can basically predict the Bitcoin price without even looking at the Bitcoin chart. That's also what I'm teaching in my trading course often, is that if you find a certain scenario, if you want to strengthen certain scenarios, try to find evidence in multiple charts. So don't try to just base your analysis only on the Bitcoin chart. No, look at different charts which are correlated or have an inverse correlation, which are actually telling the same thing. Okay, that is very important. So right now I will be watching these charts, and Bitcoin is at a crossroad at this specific moment, and we are going to see some volatility very, very soon. To the upside or to the downside are these charts going to tell us. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Drop a thumbs up. If you are new, subscribe. Wish you all a great day. Love you all, and see you in the next video.